All right, so just finished training for today, and I'm so hungry. I didn't eat anything after 4 last night. That's why I'm so hungry today. Um, I don't know why. I just didn't, and now I'm ready to eat. I'll shower after I eat because I'm so hungry. So let me show you what I'm having. Today is going to be roasted sweet potatoes, as you can see there. And on this side, I have a black bean burger with the cheese, vegan, and I have some sauteed mushrooms on the top. Yeah, I'm ready to dig in. And for my drink, check it out. Healthy but so delicious. Good for your immune system. It has lemon in it, a lemon. I put that in there. Squeeze some lemon juice in my blender. A couple of them. Squeeze the juice in. Put the pineapple in there in the blender, and then I have some ginger. And then the water. Blend it all up. Here you go. So try it out. Anything that I have here, try it out. It's so good. Um, so nutritious, and it'll help refuel me after the hard workout that I just did.